Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and ready. Start immediately by entering play or practice to reach Agent Select. You need to know your preferred role: Duelist for fragging, Controller for map control, Initiator for utility setup, or Sentinel for anchoring. Once in Agent Select, scan portraits quickly to spot abilities you like and note learning curve. This saves time when swapping. Make a rapid shortlist of 2-3 agents that fit your playstyle so you can test them right away in a game. Now test each shortlisted agent in actual rounds. Play 1 to 2 unranked matches to get a baseline of shooting, abilities, and movement. While you play, mentally score ability impact, cooldowns, and how intuitive execution feels. Write quick notes between rounds. Also evaluate how each agent's kit interacts with common maps and typical team compositions, because a great agent solo may perform worse with your friends. Once done, narrow to the top choice based on consistent performance and enjoy. Finalize by committing to your chosen agent for 5 to 10 consecutive games to develop reliable mechanics and game sense. Consistency beats constant swapping. Supplement matches with focused drills in the practice range and deathmatch to refine aim and ability combos. If you hit a roadblock, poor performance, or discomfort, revisit settings first. Keybinds, crosshair, sensitivity, then try a temporary role swap to refresh perspective. If problems persist, repeat testing with your second best agent to confirm your long-term pick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.